fine and having good time with your family. Today we are going to start the new topic of grammar, students. The name of the topic is conjunctions. You know, students, what are conjunctions? Yes, we have already learned, students, conjunctions. We have learned in second standard, third, fourth, till 8th we have learned conjunctions only. That includes in our parts of speech. Yes, students, ये हमारे parts of speech का एक हिस्सा है. So now what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are used to join two sentences or two words or a sentences, clause or a phrase. ठीक है, phrase को join करना है, clauses को join करना है, या if we want to join two words, two sentences, at that time we are using conjunction. As I can write, it is used to join two words, phrases and clauses. ठीक है students, it is used to join two words, phrases and clauses. If I can say about the words, how I can join yellow and red. ठीक है, this two name of the colors I have joined with the conjunction and. So this is my conjunction. ठीक है, conjunctions कौन से होते हैं? And, but, or, yet, so, therefore, because. ठीक है, and many more. We will learn one by one conjunctions. And students, you might have not heard about the types of conjunctions. In our today's lecture, we will learn about the types of conjunctions, students. So the first conjunction is coordinating conjunctions. And second one, subordinating. It's not subcoordinating, it's subordinating. Subordinating conjunctions. ठीक है, so first today we will learn coordinating conjunctions. What are coordinating conjunctions? So let's learn the coordinating conjunctions. So let's see to it. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions when we join sentences, words, phrases or clauses which having equal importance or a same function, which having equal importance and a same function. So the words are used to join the sentence so the words are used to join the sentence are known as coordinating conjunctions. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस. ठीक है. Now 5 type of coordinating conjunctions. Main 5 types of we have. First one it is and, but, so, yet, or. This all are our 5 types of coordinating conjunctions. ठीक है. So let's do the example of it, students. She is reading and he is learning. She is reading and he is learning. ये she लड़की पढ़ रही है, लड़का क्या कर रहा है, लड़का भी साथ में रीड लर्न कर रहा है. अंडरस्टूड. As you have a confusion that sir how to use and, or, so, yet, so let me teach you that thing, students. So let's learn how to use the coordinating conjunctions in the sentence and when to use the coordinating conjunctions in the end. How we have to use and where. To add something. ठीक है. When we need to add something, at that time we are using and. When we use or to choose from the option. जब हमें ऑप्शन में से चूज करना होता है, at that time we are using or. Any one, as I can say. ठीक है. What we can say or means any one. या तो ये या फिर ये दोनों में से कोई एक. So as we can say any one. Next we have but. Contrasting between the sentence. You know students what is contrasting between the sentence? Sentence में लेकिन वाला जो होता है ना, लेकिन वाला शब्द, that is but. दो सेंटेंस के बीच में डिफरेंस बताता है. मैंने आपको पढ़ाया लेकिन I was not well. I taught you but I was not well. ठीक है. मैंने आपको पढ़ाया बट मैं ठीक नहीं था. तो दो सेंटेंस, दो डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेस हैं, उनकी परिभाषा लाइक वी कैन से he is teaching us the contrasting between the two sentences. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव yet is used to mean at the same time. हम बोलते हैं ना अभी तक in हिंदी, that is our yet. Understood students? So this is the formation where we have to use and, or, but and yet. So का you all are very well aware कि मतलब as I can say the sentence. What the sentence is? He wanted to go home, so he asked to the teacher. ठीक है. इसलिए so का मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? इसलिए उसने क्या किया, टीचर से पूछा. He want to go home, इसलिए so he asked to the teacher. इसलिए उसने किससे पूछा? टीचर से पूछा. Understood? You all have understood where to use and, or, but and yet. Yes students, it's very easy. So this is only coordinating conjunctions we have. So now do the exercise. See some of the questions I have written on the board. According to that, according to the conjunctions, we need to solve it. So the first one we have, Tarika loves driving. She wants to buy a new car. Here you need to understand the meaning of the sentence. First translate it in Hindi. तारिका को ड्राइविंग अच्छी लगती है. She wants to buy a new car. बीच में कुछ मिसिंग लग रहा है स्टूडेंट्स. Yes, it is. Our conjunction is missing. So what I will write? लेकिन इसलिए, sorry, here it will come इसलिए. इसलिए what I have informed you, that is so. ठीक है? So what will come in this sentence? So I will write Tarika loves driving, so she wants to buy a new car. ठीक है? Now second one, Dora loves to travel, Bhavna loves to travel too. Here both the sentences wants to convey the same thing. So why both the sentences we have written differently? Here we need to add something, add our conjunctions, and that is but and. So Dora and Bhavna. Now loves हटके क्या हो जाएगा? Love, that we already know when it comes plural, then we don't have to use es after the verb. ठीक है? Dora and Bhavna love to travel. ठीक है students? Now next one. This is a difficult situation. We will find a way out. ये डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन है, लेकिन हम क्या करेंगे? रास्ता ढूंढ लेंगे. लेकिन इट मीन्स इट इज बट. ठीक है? दिस इज अ डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन, बट वी विल find a way out. Understood? Next one. The show was slow. It was still engaging. Show जो है वो as we can say slow है, मतलब ठंडा है, धीमे है, but फिर भी engaging है. ठीक है? So हम इसमें क्या लिखेंगे? It will come yet. फिर भी what I will use? Yet. The show was slow yet engaging. शो स्लो है फिर भी हमको मजा आया, मतलब इंगेजिंग, हमको बिजी, हमको बोर नहीं होने देना था. इट वॉज नॉट बोरिंग, it was engaging, that we should watch it ऐसा. So this is the sentences students that I have mentioned. I have solved it for you. The same way questions are going to come in our exams. So kindly refer this video for the coordinating conjunctions. We will continue the next subordinating conjunction in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay at home. Stay safe.